Welcome to HelloSend. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through installing the HelloSend integration on Pipedrive, connecting your communication channels, and getting started with SMS campaigns. Start by opening the Pipedrive marketplace. Search for HelloSend, or simply type SMS in the search bar. Once you find HelloSend, click on it. Click Install to begin the integration process, then click Allow and Install to confirm permissions. Inside HelloSend, you'll find support for SMS, calls, and WhatsApp channels. In this example, we'll go with SMS via Twilio. Enter your Twilio credentials and click Authorize. Once you're connected, choose the number you'd like to use and toggle it on. That's it. Your SMS channel is ready. Next, click Go to Pipedrive. Here you'll find helpful guide videos on features like campaigns, automations, and more. You need to go Pipedrive, then click on Go to Pipedrive. Once you're in Pipedrive, navigate to the Contacts section. Select a contact to begin messaging directly through HelloSend. You're all set to engage your customers with HelloSend. Thanks for using HelloSend.